So here we have this pipette, and you can see it's called the pipette man. And if you look here, some people just call it the pipette. I will make it a little closer so you can see. So you will see here how it says that it goes from 20 microliters to 200. So this is a 200 pipette. And in the lab, we have 10 microliter pipette. We have 20. So we have P10. So P10 would be from 0 to 10 microliters. P20 would go from 0 to 20 microliters. And P1000. So P1000, you might guess, is going from, like 100 microliters to 1000 microliters. So 1000 microliters is 1 mil, 1 million. And then to change the volume, as you know, you have to rotate the dial. You just rotate the dial and you change the volume. And if you wanted to draw the liquid in, what you would do is you would click on the knob, just slowly until you feel a stop. You don't want to go past the stop. Like a lot of students feel the need to press on it with all their might, so they go like all the way. So you just want to press on it slowly until you feel the pressure to stop. So you stop, and then you would draw the liquid in. So suppose you wanted to draw some liquid in, you would just go like this, and it's going in. And then you can place, so we get, with this kit, we have this, we have this little thing of wells, there's a wells. We have a yellow dye, here, yellow dye, right? And then we have our micropipetting card. We've got the red dye and the blue dye. So we have the blue dye, and the yellow dye. And there's the pipette. And what we want to do is open it to page, so we will be using page 5, and that's where we have this pipetting chart that we're going to need to make the dilutions. So we can put the chart next to our pipetting card, so you can have it handy. Okay. And then we can turn the cards. And then, you guys probably don't have a rack like I do, so you will have to be careful not to spill the dye. But I can put them in the rack next to me like this, Okay. And we'll need the tips here. Okay, so we have our setup. So let's see how everyone else is doing if you have the setup done like that. So basically, we are making dilutions. So that just means that we take a certain amount of dye and we're diluting it in water to make different concentrations. And if you look at it, it has a pre-measured volume of 10 microns, and it has this plunger here. So that's actually moves up and down. And then we have this where the tip goes. And if you hold it, you can practice. So like if you hold a regular pipette, that's how I would hold it, where your fingers are going around it and then your thumb goes on top of the plunger like that. So actually this allows you to practice that, you could hold it that way, like the same way you would a regular pipette, with your thumb on top, and then you can go up and down. And you can place, so we get, with this kit, we have this, we have this little thing of wells, there's a wells. We have a yellow dye, here, yellow dye, right? And then we got also, dots. So let's just try what happens. So, I was using my nice pipette here. I want to use this one. Our preset volume here, and we'll go and do. Let's see what color is number 1. Okay. Yay, we got it. Looks kind of pink. And what color is number 2? So you can see if I'm being precise by kind of how much liquid is going into those circles. And let's do our second one. We'll see what color we get now. Yay, purple. And now we are doing another one. So today you can see it's not like a lot of work with these kits. You will be able to do them very quickly on your own. Yeah. I can see you guys have very good technique. I'm looking at like the way you hold the pipettes. That's pretty good. Doing 4. And then finally we're almost done. We're going to number 5, the surprise. What color is it? We all know what color it's going to be. Orange. Okay, cool. You can see mine unfortunately leaked out of the well, so I may not have been as precise. I think I was fine. It's just the Vatman paper here. It's very absorbent and it looks like it's leaking out like that. And then I think it asks us one more thing. I think it says, mix the remaining yellow and blue. And what color would you get? Any predictions? You need to mix yellow and blue. Yeah, green, exactly. Yeah, it's so funny that they're asking us that. But I don't know if we want to. How much should we take? I guess we'll take 10 microliters of yellow and just for fun. Like 10 microliters of yellow and as well number 6. 10 microliters of blue. Go up and down. And we got green. And now we can put it on spot 6 here.
How many microliters of blue?
I think we should do 20 of blue and 20 of yellow because I did 10 and 10 and it's not enough. It's only enough for 2 wells. So I think we should do 20. We could do 10 of blue, 10 of yellow, and the rest water. You could add 10 of blue, 10 of yellow, and 30 microliters of water. How about that? I just did 10 and 10 of each and only had enough for 2 wells. Maybe I should make more. Why not? Add water first, and you can mix it up and down to get, green. And, this company, Edvotek, they recommended that you could try making like a fun, kind of like a tree pattern if you want to. Yes. Something like that. I'm not getting a tree here. I don't know what they get a square tree. But I don't know what I'm getting. Oh well, I think we are done now, and so we can throw out this plate. So you can just throw it in the garbage. Kind of like you would get rid of the art supplies. You can throw out the card. You could keep the die. That's another thing. If this is good practice pipetting, but if you wanted to show your younger siblings or even kids, your siblings, your friends, you could keep it for fun just to show them how it works, But you could keep the pipette, you could keep the tips. We only really have 4 tips left. You could dispose of this if you want. You could dispose of the card. You could dispose of the dies, or you can just keep them for fun. They are just made of glycerol and alcohol and water, so they're not like dangerous or toxic. You can put it all back. If you wanted to keep the whole kit, you could put it all back in a little package that it came in.